Matt, when a food manufacturer is planning to launch a new packaging concept, where should they begin? With the packaging design or the packaging machine?
Thanks for the question, Mariana. This is a great question for any customer who's launching a totally new product or maybe just taking the steps from R&D into production. When a change like this occurs, manufacturers need both a new container and a new machine to handle it, but which one comes first? When it's an existing machine or package, it's super simple. They can come to us, the machine OEM, and have their package defined, give us drawings and samples, and that'll help us design a machine to that exact package you need. But that's not always possible. What happens when there's a future package or product that isn't fully defined yet? In this case, it's always important to involve the OEMs like us as early as possible. We can provide insight into the design of the cup or pouch that might be helpful to the pouch or cup manufacturer and help the machine run smoother. And similarly, they can provide insight for us. For example, recently we manufactured a filling and sealing machine for an aluminum K-cup for a coffee company called Cambio. It's a pretty cool cup. It's recyclable. It's actually in grocery stores all around the US now, and it's being run on Waldner machines. And at the time when this product started, it was a totally new project for everyone. Being an aluminum K-cup, there's nothing else like it on the market. So in that case, it was super helpful to have everybody involved early. So in the first month of ideation of this idea for an aluminum K-cup, we had the cup manufacturer, the OEM, and the customer all involved already. In that case, it was really helpful to get ahead of some of those future issues by having that transparent communication early on.
But what if a customer wants to put an order for a machine before they have the packaging design fully finalized?
Yeah, that's a good question too. And in cases like that where we don't really know what the package is going to be, but an order comes in for the machine, it's at least important to know the sort of ranges and sizes and how many different sizes are being considered for the machine. If we can start with the largest and the smallest sizes and then figure out how many different diameters there are going to be on the machine, we can at least get started with the design and maybe even do things like the frame of the machine. But ultimately, though, the machine will need to be defined and designed to the customer's specific package. So ultimately, before we can end design and move into production of the machine, we will need to have that package specs defined.
All right. Thank you, Matt. This is really insightful. I'm sure this will be helpful for a lot of customers. And if you have a question regarding packaging machinery design, contact the WNA team, Waldner at wnapt.com. Thank you.